Hi, I'm David Thomas, Managing Partner of the UK Industrial Practice here at Boyden.
Hi, I'm Phoebe Williams, partner for the UK Industrial Practice at Boyden. Highlight has to be Boyden's UK Annual Assembly. It was great that so many of our network were able to join and see NASA's astronaut genetics live from space. Closer to home, a key highlight would have to be our growing industrial practice and notably the opening of our new Aberdeen office. Also, recently, we're able to announce our new partnership with Family Business UK. So, very much looking forward to supporting its members into 2025.
My highlights for 2024 from a personal perspective has been completing the world's longest aquathlon. From a work perspective, it's been really exciting to see the practice growing in what's been a tough market and to welcome lots of new colleagues to the firm. In terms of 2025, I anticipate that economic conditions are going to continue to be tough, but I'm really confident in our ability to navigate that. And I also think we'll see an acceleration of technology change, particularly in the arena of AI and automation.
Whilst the sector has shown resilience in a tough market this year, there has been uncertainty, and some of which we do anticipate will continue into next year. We're in a period of change, so supporting companies adapting to new technologies and circumstances has been a theme. A focus on our workforce will be key next year. So, investing in upskilling, digital and technical skills alongside collaborative partnerships. Additionally, I would say a continued commitment to sustainability.